will be about fake laughing. So I figured that instead of doing my standard intro at the beginning, I would fake laugh. It's just sort of a rough idea to show you what it might sound like, just to sort of grab your attention. So with that being said and that out of the way, I'm just going to roll my standard intro, and then I'll tell you the instructions for fake laughing. So let's get into this. This is my standard intro. Let's go. Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fake laugh, so that you can learn to do it fast with easy instructions. Once again, the topic of this video tutorial, this step-by-step set of instructions, will be me showing you and telling you the process for fake laughing. So I will be showing you and telling you how to fake laugh so you can learn to do it fast with easy instructions. One last time, just to drive it home, I'll be showing you, but more specifically telling you, because the instructions are mostly verbal for the most part, I'll be telling you how to fake laugh so that you can learn to do it fast with easy instructions. So the title of this video will be probably exactly the way I said it, because I plan things like that. And this might be my OCD kicking in, but I'm actually going to say it one more time just for fun, just so I know that I'm on the same page with what I need to say and that you're on the same page with what you're going to learn. So I will be specifically showing you, and more specifically telling you with the verbal instructions. I'm not redoing this video. I'll tell you right now, I'm not redoing this video. I'm going to just say the title one more time and then we're going to get into this, okay? This is my 24th video in a row that I'm filming today. So instead of me redoing it, I'm going to keep my momentum and I'm going to do it again. So once again, the topic of this video is fake laughing. I will be showing you, but more specifically with verbal instructions, I will be telling you how to fake laugh so that you can learn to do it fast with easy instructions. Let's get into this. Almost 2 minutes of an intro to tell you how to fake laugh so you can learn to do it super fast with easy instructions. Once again, oh man, I'm not redoing this video. I'm not, I swear. Part of me is like, I should just redo it, but part of me is like, no, just do it again. I've said the title so many times, I'm throwing myself off, but I promise it'll be worth it. Maybe you guys are laughing at this, and then you can get a real laugh to go into your fake laugh, hopefully. But once again, I promise, for the last time, the topic of this video is that I will be telling you specifically how to fake laugh so that you can learn to do it fast with easy instructions. So easy instructions so you can learn to do it fast with regards to how to fake laugh. Let's get into this. Enough of I wanted the video to be 3 minutes in total, but I ended up blabbing on. So anyways, you want to fake laugh, it's going to sound like this, okay? Sorry about my blabbing on. It's going to sound like this, okay? Hopefully you're real laughing right now. It's going to sound like this. So there's a couple steps towards fake laughing to do it convincingly. You might need to do this in a social setting. You might need to do this for acting. You might need to do this for a multitude of reasons. My mustache hairs are getting in my lips. Sorry about that. I got to trim them up. That's why maybe you're real laughing at this point. That whole intro was on purpose. Wink, wink. I did it so that you can laugh. Anyways, totally joking. I didn't mean to do that, but it's all good. We're moving on. I'm not going to redo this video because I'm 24 videos deep. This is the last video that I'm filming today. I'm not going to lose my momentum. So basically, you want it to sound not so controlled. That's the first thing. So if you're going, you sound like a robot. It's not how you fake laugh. You want it to sound not so controlled, like you want to vary it up a little bit. Not so controlled. Okay, so you want to basically go up and down. That leads me to sort of like, you want to go up and down, faster, slower, higher pitch, lower pitch. Make it sound not so controlled, okay? The second thing to think about is smile. When people laugh, they smile. There are very few people in the world, there might be people, but there are very few people I think that will laugh like, there might be people that laugh like that, but most of the time, how we know a laugh is genuine is based on the smile. So check this out. I'm going to do it without smiling. And now I'm going to do it with smiling. The smile makes it more convincing. Make sure you smile, and make sure the best way to actually fake a smile is to fake laugh. So if you want to fake a smile, you can go, it's the best way to fake a smile. So smiling and laughing are they coincide with each other, okay? So yeah, number 2 is to smile. The third thing is chuckle. Make sure you chuckle. A laugh is not like ha 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 ha. A laugh is ha ha ha. If you want to learn how to chuckle, move your shoulders a bit when you laugh. It'll make it a little bit easier to get that chuckle out. So make sure you chuckle. That's number 3. And last but not least, number 4, this is the most important thing. Do not overdo it. Don't. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy right now because the window's open over there. don't do that. That's overdoing it. People know that's a fake laugh. Okay, if you really laugh that hard, then do it. But most of the time, a laugh will go up and down. Cover your mouth too, right? Cover your mouth. These are natural things that we do. Slap your leg. Oh. Like that. Okay? Very simple. And that's basically it. Once again, that intro, way too long. I said the title, I don't know, 10 times because, I don't know, I filmed so many videos in a row that my mind, by the end of it, I'm like trying to figure out which video I'm doing, and I want to make sure I'm on the right path. So the good thing is, I said it so many times that you and I both know the topic of the video was very, very precise. About fake laughing, so you can learn to do it fast, easy instructions, easy tutorial. That's basically it. Once again, I've shown you and told you, I'll say it one last time, I showed you and I told you how to fake laugh so you can learn to do it fast with easy instructions, super easy instructions. And yeah, hopefully you're fake laughing for whatever reason. Maybe you're faking it in a social setting, maybe you're acting, whatever reason. Hopefully your fake laughing, does you well, and hopefully the intro being so long, I probably shouldn't bring it up so many times, but the intro being so long, hopefully that made you laugh. And that's it. Honestly, I thought this video was gonna be a 3-minute video, maybe a 4-minute video, and ended up being almost 7, but it's all good. C'est la vie, that is life. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this fake laughing tutorial video, and fake laugh it up. Go for it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.